Hi guys, my name is Vipin Mohan. I am the student placement head of PGDM in SPJIMR. So I'm going to talk about our placements here and our different internship process here. So the thing is, we have a thing called our autumn's internship. Why autumns? Because in summers we do our internships with NGO. That is a social responsibility project which is covered under a center called DOCC, Directorate of Corporate Citizenship in SPJIMR, where we go to our a rural area for doing our summers. So why autumns? Because of this concept, we don't entitle ourselves to participate in the summer programs. We have a different slot, mostly in September and October. It gives us many advantages. First of all, only SPJIMR is doing our autumn's internship. No other institute is competing for your roles, or you will get the equal amount of roles or whatever in autumn internship. You will not be competing against any institute. And the second part is you will be all the students will be covering a lot of specialization related courses. So the advantage of that is you will be making an informed choice. See, you have marketing specialization, you will have operations, finance or information management. You will be making an informed choice, you will be sounding better prepared for the interview. We at SPJIMR have a smaller batch size, which is about 240 people. So it's easy for us to get high quality options, high quality jobs in our campus because we don't have that much of a competition here. If I speak about our quality of placements, last year our average was 15.46 lakhs. That is the domestic average. So why this average is very significant is because the median of the salary is 15.25 lakhs. So 50% of the batch is placed above with a package above 15.25 lakhs. A lot of other institutes, they all boast a average salary of about 16 lakhs or whatever. But it's the international packages which are about 40 lakhs plus, that kind of push their average salary up. And you name the company in FMCG space, you name the company in banking space, you name the company in consulting space, all the companies come down to SPJIMR to conduct our placements. Our alumni network is extremely strong. And another very important factor about our placements is due to our autumn internship, we have the highest number of PPI, PPOs across campuses in India. So yeah, if you have any queries or any doubts, you can go to the website. There is a program page, PGDM, and in that you have a placement process page which has an extensive report about how the last year autumns went and how the last year's finals went. So yep, hopefully we can see you all in SPJIMR soon.